Welcome to another screencast by the E-Team on how to create question pools. Now, question pools allow you to create a number of questions of varying types in advance and then use a subsection of those questions to include in a test. Now, that subsection can be a random set of questions called a random block, or they can be hand-picked questions. In that case, you would use a question set. Alright, to begin, to be able to create a pool, you need to locate the correct tool under Module Tools. So if you go to the Control Panel, open Module Tools and click on Test, Surveys and Pools. If you have seen the videos on how to create tests and surveys, this page will become familiar. Click onto Pools, and you have the options to import a pool from a previous module or to build a brand new pool. If we click on to build pool to build a pool from scratch, and you should see a familiar option screen that allows you to put in the name, a description and instructions. Now, when you build your pool, you can build your pool in different categories or different topics or different areas. For example, if I was doing a Microsoft Office class, I might create a pool just for Microsoft Word questions. So I shall fill in the details now. When you are happy with all the instructions you have entered, scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. Here you have the opportunity to create questions for your pool. If you're not sure how this is done, please see the screencast or the help guides on creating questions for a test. Or you can find questions that you have previously used on your modules. If we click on to Find Questions, you can narrow the number of questions that you see. For instance, you can pick questions from certain pools. If you do not want to pick questions that are in other pools, you would click the name of the pool that you've just created, and that would narrow down the questions to those questions that are either in tests. You can pick questions from a certain test. You can pick certain question types only. You can pick categories or topics, levels of difficulty, and keywords. These last four are generated when you generate a question. You have the opportunity to put categories, topics, levels of difficulty, and keywords in the actual question, which makes it easier to search at a later date. In this example, for this pool, I am only going to put in multiple choice questions only. And in total, there are 59 multiple choice questions. If I wanted to choose all of them, I would show all, and then just put a check mark here. And then at the bottom, it will tell you how many questions are in this pool. When you're happy with the questions to go into the pool, you click Submit. That will take you back to the pool canvas. If you are happy with everything that you have selected, scroll to the bottom and click OK. And there you have the pool. Please locate the screencast and the help guides on random blocks and question sets to see how you can utilize pools inside tests. Thank you.